There is a myth that if you ever tried to sneeze with your eyes open, they'll pop out. Sounds terrifying, but totally false. Your eye sockets are way too secure for that. In truth, it's an automatic reflex, like blinking when something flies toward your face. Sneezing is a powerful force, shooting air out at nearly 100 miles per hour. Your body shuts your eyes to protect them from germs, irritants, and sudden pressure changes. And if you do manage to keep them open, nothing dangerous happens, but your brain still really wants you to close them.